My name is Maricel Dongka. I'm from Philippines.
How old are you?
34 years old.
Can you tell me more about your family?
Yeah, we have my family in Philippines. My family in Philippines, we have big family. So I came here for them because Philippines is urban poor. That's why I came here for them.
Yeah. Uh, what did you study in school?
Actually, I'm undergraduate
Yeah.
in Philippines, secretariat.
Yeah.
Undergraduate because of
Yeah.
the financial problem.
Okay. Can you tell me something?
Yeah, I told you, it's a small country, and it's because of an island, because always visiting typhoon, calamity.
Mm-hmm.
That's what, very, very poor.
Mm-hmm.
That's why most of the Filipino come to abroad to work.
Yeah. Why did you come to the UAE?
Yeah, I told you that I need to sustain the needs of my family because
Mhm.
my salary in Philippines is not enough.
Mhm. Does the UAE offer you more opportunity?
Yeah, because the dirhams compared to the peso is times 10.
Mhm.
So they can sustain the needs of my family.
How's your life different now?
Uh, Now I'm living independently, far away from my family, and I'm more strong
Mhm.
because as I said, work, living living independently, far away from my
Mhm.
family.
Um, how's your free time different now? Do you have free
Most of
time?
my free time, I used to stay in house
Mhm.
because my personal needs, especially laundry like this, and I used to rest.
Mhm. What do you know? What do you think about the UAE?
UAE, it's a very good country. You know, the security, you're safe, and the respect. And I like the most of the UAE. I like it. They have a good communication.
Mhm.
Even it's Filipino, other country, and here UAE, different people you will see.
Mhm. How are people in Abu Dhabi different than your country?
I told you, here the security is okay, and the people you encounter here is very decent and respectful. Although I'm not telling that Philippines is not respectful, but here even the lady, the small one, chico like this, they used to respect.